Tired of doing the same task over and over again? What if I told you that 40% of your daily business tasks could be automated, saving you over 15 hours each week? In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the exact framework I've used to automate the boring stuff in my business, from email follow-ups to social media posting, data entry, and more. By the end, you'll have a clear blueprint to reclaim your time and focus on what actually matters, growing your business and scaling. Let's begin. Building with AI and automation, we're going to be talking about inputs, outputs, and the tools. Deciding or thinking about the inputs, what we're gathering and what we're putting out, outputs, that allows us to then pick the right kind of tool and allows us to work with purpose with what the right kind of features could look like. So bottom line, inputs, it's what are we getting? What information are we getting? What kind of data? So the inputs could look like the client is trying to do X. That could be inputs. The client is trying to turn their Word document into a PDF. So the inputs might be a Word document. The output would be a PDF, something like that. It could also look like, what data or info am I collecting? I might say, I am trying to enter my weight and I'm trying to calculate what a good percentage of body fat that might look like, right? Or, for my height and weight, what is healthy for me? Something like that. I'm gathering a bunch of data. I'm getting an output or a result on the other side. Dominic, how does that sound as we go through this? Anything you would like to add?
Perfect. It's exactly how I look at it. I try to break it down into the most simplest form, and all these AI applications and all these automations come down to inputs and outputs. Some of the inputs are user inputs. You mentioned about the weight, or we did the fitness web application yesterday, where you're actually putting in your goals, and then maybe it's generating a workout for you using AI, which is the output. Sometimes we enhance the input. So some of the inputs might be user input plus a hidden input as a developer that we might have inserted, or if we might be a consulting business and we have particular frameworks and methodologies, and that might enhance the user input that produces a specific output. But it all summarizes down to inputs and outputs.
Yeah. And then if you notice that, as me and Dominic are talking about, we didn't really mention tools, right? The tool is secondary. We have to first identify this strategy, then we can identify the right kind of tool for the job. And there are hundreds, if not thousands of tools in the automation and AI, and just wait a couple weeks and there's other things that are new players in the space. So we're going to be looking at this same exact formula, and this is how we're going to build our projects and go from there. If you've enjoyed now learning the principles of how to automate or use AI, make sure you check out these videos above my head and all over here to get started with your next project. And in the comment section down below, let us know, what are you building?